All right, Josh Wagner from Tyrone. This young man is 16 years old, so you're going to see his dad in the passenger seat. He's going to ride along with him. Let's hope everything goes well for both of them.
Wow.
Somebody.
Wow.
How about a hand for it, folks? Up that front wheel.